want to do the intro today?
No.
No, why not?
I don't even want to be on it.
What is going on? All right, so we are headed out the door. I don't know what to tell you. We have a lot to do tonight. It's going to be a long night, and so we have a regular route, and then we have a, I don't know, it's about an acre of junk, crap, weeds that we have to mow down. It's a property that's for sale, and the homeowner calls us basically every time he's going to show the thing, which is about every 4 or 5 weeks, to knock it down. So we go out there and knock it down, and yeah, it's not pretty. But anyways, we're going to get started. We'll try to get you some footage. We're going to be in a hurry, and we'll just see what we come up with. So, be back to you. Okay, yard one in the books. I didn't get video. Like I said, we're in a hurry today. So I did snap a couple pictures, and I'll put those in. And we're off to the next one. We've actually got some nice houses to do today, don't we? Yes. Yeah, well, you're talking everything. So you'll get to see part of it, not a bunch of it, but part of it. And I want to say Laura over here, this one right here, that one, she has started learning the weed eater about, what, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. And she's doing awesome. She's learning as she goes. She has a little bit of a problem with unevenness, but she's working on that. She got the elbow and the motor trick figured out to help her out. And I'm showing her a few things along the way. But fact is, she's trying, and she's getting it figured out. So let me get over to this other yard here, and this one's interesting. I'm gonna show you some footage on this one. Be right back to you. All right, this is the one I wanted to show you. So I got this lawn in the spring, and we don't have this grass anywhere around here, and it's a very thick bladed grass. And when the guy bought the house, this was cut real short. They had just like clumps everywhere. So I'm thinking it's a tall turf fescue or a clumping fescue or something like that. But first thing I did is I jacked up the height to 4 inches on this. So most of our stuff around here is Kentucky bluegrass. We cut about 3 inches, maybe 3.5. But I jacked up the height to 4 inches, and look at it. It feels filled out and looks beautiful. It's different to cut. You can't get stripes. Those stripes right there are, I think I went over those like, I don't know, 3 times before I switched directions. I mowed it this direction last week, and look, there's just no, it doesn't stripe. You guys know down in the south where you got that St. Augustine and stuff, it's kind of like that. But interesting grass. I've never ran into this before. It's, like I said, it's very, very thick bladed. It's interesting. New stuff to me. All I know is the wider the blade, the taller the height. Put that in your books, you new guys. You'll figure something out. All right, let me get the mower out and get to work. tough grass. I don't know, tall turf fescue or what it is. I can tell you one thing, it's tougher nails, man. You could have a group of lawn care professionals out here with zero turns doing an obstacle course and you wouldn't see a mark in it. Anyways, we're done. Just gotta blow off. All right, there's 3. So what time is it? I don't even know. Oh, it's 6:44. So hour and 30 minutes we knocked out 3 big yards. Yeah, not big, medium-sized yards. But the nasty one, the weedy one that's about an acre, I'm gonna put on tomorrow's video. So you guys are gonna have to wait for that. So this is it. I'm gonna go drop Laura off at the house. She doesn't need to go out there with me. And she did a great job. She learned some things today. What did you learn today? What did you learn? Tell me. What? She learned how to tape her edges the proper way. Do you have anything to say? No? Alright. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. If you feel so inclined, hit that subscribe button and the like button and the little alarm button and all those other buttons. That's a lot of buttons. And we're going to keep trying doing daily videos, guys. So we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.